Hi guys, I hope that you feel good today. So we will make, oh my god, I forget, shrimp with cocoa and mango sauce. It's very good. You know that I like a lot cocoa sauce, so let's go. So for this meal you need of course shrimp, okay? For 2% it's 300 grams, yes. Mango, garlic, paprika, oregano, I don't remember. Rice and it's good, perfect. So in first we will start with the shrimp. My cats again. I don't like to do this. It's crazy. One. It's Saturday, so I have time to do this. It's okay. I don't dance today. Usually the weekend I dance, so I can relax and cook. Okay. Maybe I will show you how I do this. So personally, this one. So I cut the head like this and the, I don't know in English, okay, and this thing up to the body. Ah, my cats fight. So you see, not very complicated, and it's more easy with the nice this. They fight a lot today, it's crazy. If you don't have the courage, you can buy without the things, but for me it's better to buy shrimp like this because the taste is better, like it's more fresh. It's pretty good. I like shrimp a lot. And in February, I was in Rio in Brazil, and I had, I think it's intoxication too in English. My friends say, my Brazilian friends say, don't eat shrimp in Brazil. Brazil. And I like so much so I taste in a Rio, and I was very very sick, like 5 days. I ate nothing, and I lost like 5 pounds, 3 kilo. You see, it's crazy. So it's the first time since March, sorry, that I will eat shrimp. But it's okay. It's very fresh here, so. And the last, perfect. So we will clean. So now we can add the shrimp. We will prepare the mango, so just the half, okay? It's enough. I cut in big parts, and I will cut after. And cut in small parts. So now it's good for the shrimp. Oh. And I add the garlic. And okay, so now the rice 10 minutes. I will add water and cover for 15 minutes. Okay, so now after 15 minutes we can add cocoa milk. Okay, now it's done, so we will mix. Okay, I will show you. So oh, I need to perfect, and now we will see if it's good or no. Perfect. Okay, so I will show you. It will be like this. And you add the shrimp. Maybe one